Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work fuel injector, only way. Start by relieving fuel pressure and disconnecting the battery to prevent sparks and leaks. Remove the intake components for clear access, then label and unplug each injector connector for safe handling. Clean the rail and surrounding area to avoid contamination. Use a multimeter to measure resistance and a fuel pressure gauge to verify proper operation before reassembly and testing the engine. When removing injectors, work calmly and methodically to reduce mistakes and spills. Keep a clear workspace and have shop rags ready to catch any drips and protect painted surfaces. Label each connector and injector to maintain correct order for reinstallation. Inspect O-rings for cracking or deformations and replace them to ensure a proper seal. Store removed injectors upright and cap lines if you will not reassemble right away. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation. I noticed a helpful read on financial clarity and thought of you. The simple path to wealth makes complex money ideas feel doable and surprisingly relevant to yours. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Cleaning and testing injectors is where performance is won or lost, so stay patient and precise. Start with an ultrasonic bath or commercial cleaning kit to dislodge varnish and deposits. Follow with a bench flow test to compare milliliter per minute outputs and inspect spray patterns for consistency. Verify electrical resistance with a multimeter and check for leaks under pressure. Replace faulty injectors and install new O-rings before returning the rail to service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.